And if we go to several, we have several modules here, right? We have the data module, the field module, the account settings module, the well dashboard module. If, for example, we go to the field module and we click here on the upper right side of the corner, we will be seeing like this Python icon that has a hover text that says documentation. If we click on it, it will redirect us to the documentation section of Alana, where we are going to see several sections. We have, for example, Alana features and benefits, the Alana API, the Alana API data source class. We have several things here. We have, for example, a section on Python concepts. If you're just a beginning on Python, you can learn a couple of things, of very practical things here. And we have seen in several weekly sessions several things or several modules that are embedded in Alana. For example, we've developed some workflows using the well dashboard and the Alana API, as well the field dashboard. In the latest session, we talked about decline curve analysis, how to do a decline curve analysis on the web, and automate it on Python with the Alana API. So we have updated this this workflow, these workbooks. For example, if I go here into the exploratory data analysis, example number 1, you're going to see that most of the provide authentication section has been changed. In previous versions of the Alana API, we were asked to give the username and the password, and in latest updates, we have changed that only to manage the Alana token. So by using this getPass library, this getPass function, we are able to have this privacy setting or privacy way of input passwords, if you can say that, into the notebook without visualizing on if you're, I don't know, if we are broadcasting something and so on. So we have changed to this latest update that only requires the Alana token. Let's remember that the Alana token, if you guys want to access or have, in fact, that's part of this week's session. If you guys want to get your Alana token, you only need to log into Alana, go to the account settings, and here it says the Alana token. It's going to redirect you. You need to provide your credentials. I'm not going to click on login because it's going to pop out the window that has the Alana token, in this case, my Alana token, that I will be able to use to run all the workflows and to run all the to access these to access the Alana API in order to have this connection established successfully that we have seen in previous sessions. So we have updated as well the Dash workflow. In previous sessions, we've developed a couple of things here. For example, this Dash, in order to visualize several several data that are stored in the Alana server. So all of this has been updated successfully for you guys to only kind of download it. That's going to be one of the sections of what we're going to do next. But that's what this first section was about, for you guys to see that the documentation, it's updated.